Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to track changes in Google Sheets. So there are actually two ways to do it. First way is to track the changes for the whole sheet. So you could do it right here in this little clock icon. So click on it, and it will open version history for your whole entire sheet. Now there will be a history versions. So let's say for today I have two versions. This is the current version and this is the before version. And here I can decide to highlight my changes to see what changed. So this is how you can simply track your versions, and you can do that also in a single cell. So if you want to see who checked that box or who changed that number in your sheet, just right click on the specific cell and click on Show Edit History. And here you should see who edited this cell, and you can see that you can scroll through the edits and see what they added. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.